Psychology myths are all around us, influencing how we think about mental health, behavior, and even our own selves. These myths aren't just harmless misconceptions. They can actually do real harm by shaping negative attitudes and behaviors. By busting these myths, we can gain a clearer understanding of psychology and improve our mental health literacy. Many people believe that psychology is just about lying on a couch and talking about your feelings, but that's not even close to the truth. Others think that if you're struggling with mental health issues, you're somehow flawed or weak. These misconceptions can lead to stigma and prevent people from seeking help when they need it most. They can also affect how we interact with others, creating unnecessary fear and misunderstanding. Furthermore, when we believe these myths, we might make misinformed decisions about our own mental health and well-being. This can lead to a range of negative outcomes, from poor treatment choices to delayed seeking of help. Let's dive into some specific myths. One common myth is that people are either left-brained or right-brained, and that determines everything from creativity to logical thinking. But research shows that this just isn't true. Most people use both sides of their brain equally, and the idea of being strictly left-brained or right-brained is more of a fun party trick than a scientific fact. Another myth claims that it takes 21 days to form a new habit. This sounds convincing, but it actually comes from a misinterpretation of a 1960 study. The truth is, forming a new habit can take anywhere from a few weeks to several months, depending on the person and the habit. There's also the myth that mental health issues are something that only happen to certain types of people. The reality is, mental health issues can affect anyone, regardless of their background, income, or education. And then there's a shocking myth that you can only use 10% of your brain. This one has been debunked by experts time and time again, but it still persists. The truth is, brain imaging technology has shown that almost all parts of the brain are active almost all the time. The most shocking myth of all has got to be the idea that antidepressants can change your personality. This one has been thoroughly debunked by research, which shows that antidepressants primarily work to correct imbalances in brain chemistry, not alter who you are. When people understand this, it can dramatically shift their perceptions of mental health treatment. They realize that seeking help isn't about changing who they are, but about feeling better and living a healthier life. Understanding this can empower people to make informed decisions about their treatment. It also opens up a more honest conversation about what mental health treatment can and can't do. If you've ever believed in any of these myths, or if you have a personal experience with mental health that you'd like to share, please comment below.